guys, my name's Seth Fenby, and this is an inspection. Trying a new camera feature here. What I have is a Hitachi ZX35U mini excavator. We're going to look at the major components. Okay, the first thing we'll look at is the left side track. If you're sitting in the machine, this track is in like new condition. It's probably 90%, as you can see right here. Here's the sprocket and the final drive. It's all in excellent shape. Up underneath the track and the top roller, onto the front idler. The sheet metal on this machine is in good condition. There are a few scrapes and whatnot here on the cab, but the majority of the cab's in excellent shape. All the glass is intact and everything, as you can see here, and on around to the back here. Here we have inside the engine compartment. It's all very clean, as you can see. The engine's in very nice shape. Here we have a shot up underneath the turntable here, as you can see. Here we are around to the right side of the machine. The sheet metal is all in nice condition as well, as you can see here. Here's the right side track. It's 80 to 90%, if not better, as well. It's in excellent condition. Right side sprocket and final drive is all in excellent condition. Okay, here we have down where the fuel tank is. Everything, as you can see here, it's very clean. Hydraulic oil. Here we have the serial number and the model number plate, as you can see right here. The boom is in very nice condition. If you look out along the boom and down to the stick here, it's all in very good condition here. The machine is equipped with a hydraulic thumb. It's in excellent working condition. Here's the plate on the thumb. It's also equipped with a very nice CP bucket. Here's the plate on the bucket. This is a 24-inch HD bucket. Hydraulic blade. The blade's in very good condition. Covers on there and everything, as you can see, around the pivot point. Everything's in good operating condition here. Okay, here we are up inside the cab. The seat's in excellent condition. All the controls, as you can see here, all in very nice shape. Okay guys, here we are sitting in the cab. You have the air conditioning and all of your speed controls and everything, your radio. And here's the other controls on the other side. Start this machine up. The computer, hour meter, 2,213 hours. Starts right up and runs well. Hydraulic thumb works good. Blade operations all work well. Hydraulic power is very strong.